Right now, what I have on my screen here is VMAGIC by Medicine Mama Organic Vulva Balm. Okay, intimate skin care, menopause support, relieves feminine dryness, itching, and irritation. Hormone-free vaginal moisturizer for women. Okay, and so, ladies, if you're experiencing that, right? If you're experiencing dryness, irritation, itching, even, right? This is something worth considering. They have here that they clinically tested this and 100% reported zero irritation, okay? 92% saw a reduction in dryness after consistent 2 week use. Okay, 79% reported immediate soothing relief from intimate skin dryness. Okay, and so those are some really good percentages there. Definitely worth considering if you're someone who is experiencing any of that, which is why I have it linked there below for you ladies to check out, all right?